Kita dekat rumah ketiga. Okay, aku terbodoh sebab tersalah rekod. But this house is RM2,000, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom. Okay, so dia townhouse. So kau nampak tak tadi aku naik tangga kan? What you see now is the living room. Look at how big this is. And dia ada aircon and the dining table semua ada. And this is the balcony. Lepas tu look at how big this kitchen is. And tiada ampayan. Besar kan weh? Lepas tu the bilik pun dah fully furnished. And then look at the bathroom. Dah habis renovate dah. And the owner sumpah baik nak mampus. And then the bedroom pun dah siap, dah cantik. Bilik lagi satu pun fully furnished. Ada aircon. Ya Allah. Although not everything yang kita orang akan simpan lah. But look at this empty room. And look at the tiles. I absolutely love terracotta tiles.
I don't know what to say. Memang rezeki Tuhan, ya Allah.
Ini agak insane lah. Lepas tu, this place also has their own clubhouse. Di mana dia ada taskabit. Tergamam laki aku. Dia ada swimming pool, ada spa. And honestly, dia ada surau juga kat sini.
Cik, buat, I tak tahu, I tergamam.
Apa tergamam ya?
I tergamam tapi dia macam excited. Ada macam, faham? Dia macam ada perasaan macam tu.
Tergamam yang. Anyways, that went on for like quite a bit. Tapi dengan harga RM2,000, kau dapat 2 parking and all of this. What? But I don't know. Kita masih tengah bincang.
We'll update, tapi the next in our goal adalah untuk pergi ke second hand furniture. So, jumpa di episod seterusnya.
Kita pilih.